You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is b equals -9. Let's solve it step by step. Group all s terms on the left side of the equation. Add 1 over 3b to both sides. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 5 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is b equals -9.